What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna let my daughter drive my $80,000 truck. And that's right, I said 80,000 because that's how much I paid for it when I bought it. But anyway, so she got her permit. She is legal driving with me. We're in a closed off area and she's gonna try to get her driving down, right?
Yeah.
You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Hazards on. Let's in park. You remember what to do first? Seat belt. Make sure you can reach the pedals. Probably need to scoot up a little bit. You can scoot up more if you need to. Push the brake all the way down. All the way? You can push it all the way down? Okay. Let's do the gas. Bring it up to like 3,000. 3. Go to the 3. There you go. Alright. Alright, so you're good. Check your mirrors. Can you see out the back? Can you see behind you? Can you see out of this one? There's a car coming, right? So you can see. Alright, so you're gonna make sure you're clear and then you're gonna signal off. And remember how I showed you, the car wants to drive itself, so you're gonna ease off. Whenever you're ready. Signal. What'd you forget? Put it in drive, man.
You doing? Ha ha ha!
All right, now ease off the brake. Oh, all right. Now start giving a little gas. You clear, right? All right, turn your signal off. Good. And you don't have to try to go fast. All right, you just let's curve on around. You want to just drive the whole thing first, and then we'll do a little practicing in the parking lot if we got a little empty one. Oh, they doing a trunk or treat. We ain't got no costumes. You sure rolling? Nah, you're good. You're good. Get comfortable with it. So remember how I showed you on your turn? Just kind of have your foot over that brake just in case you need it. Curve with the street. Curve with it. Are you on the gas? Or, so I told you over the brake. Over the brake.
Talking about? I don't know.
Yeah, when you turn it. You don't want to turn. You know what I mean? You got to get comfortable with it. Alright, you good. Yeah, there you go. Slow down a little bit. Alright, now get off the brake and just go on. Just kind of keep it. Yeah. You want to try to make this turn? Yeah. Alright. Put on the brake. Signal. Alright. Now you're going to keep going up. I'm going to tell you when to start turning. Oh, there's people over there. Alright. Oh, there's people over there. God dang it. You want to try to go that way? No. Alright, go.
That's a dead end.
Yeah, go straight and I'll turn you around. Unless you want to try to back up. Well, it's a good time to practice. But remember, this truck has a lot of power, so when you put it in reverse, don't hit the gas. Like, you just gonna, I'm gonna show you what to do. Alright, so cut your wheel like towards this curve. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, now start turning, like turning there, because we're gonna back up.
Turning
yeah, right there. Start turning. Turn, turn, remember, line up the front of the car to that dirt. Keep turning. All right, like that, right there. All right, now stop. Now we're gonna try to back up, okay? Hold the brake down.
There's a car coming.
Okay, let's wait. Where do you want to drive?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, me?
And you need to already. Okay. Now get in reverse. It's the R. And let it roll back by itself. Get out. Start getting off the brake.
Do I turn this way?
Well, let it start. See what the truck is gonna do. Like, get off the brake. Okay, so it'll roll. All right. Now go. Start going. Let it roll back. All right, turn. Start cutting the wheel. Now look at your camera. Okay, keep backing up. Make sure you clear. And camera's kind of cheating. All right, now stop. D. There you go. All right, and now we're gonna go back the same way we came. There you go. You good.
Am I too close to that side?
Nah, you're good. You're good. Guys, that's why I want to get her car going, because this truck is lifted and it's high. So it's kind of hard to see where you're at, but you're good. So how you can tell you're on your side, you see that line? That messed up cement line?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're good. You're on your side. Alright, now start slowing down and curve. Okay. Remember, foot over the brake, even if you don't need it on your turns. Right there. Alright, now you can gas it a little bit. Just so how you can remember, just once you start getting into the turn, just kind of put your foot over the brake so you can line it up right. And then if you don't need the brake, then you good. Okay, now signal to the left, stop. Signal to the left. You're clear over here, so we're gonna go over here and practice. All right, now turn in. I know I can't see either. All right, go forward, and you're gonna start turning halfway right there. Now start turning in. There you go. All right, now go. Now keep going over in this area where ain't nobody at. All right, now remember how we did? Look, you're gonna go right here. Slow down a little bit. It's a little bumpy. We don't have to be in a hurry. All right, let's practice your turnarounds. All right, go ahead and turn it around. There you go. Straighten it up. See, that's what you gotta work on. So yeah, no, you're fine. You can go wide and you can practice another loop around. That way you get used to it. You know what I mean? And we'll do straighten it up. Boom, there you go. We'll do one more of those and then we need to practice some right hand turns because you need to. Alright, make your left. And let's see how you straighten it up on this one. Alright, straighten it up. Back on the gas. Ooh, I told you got that power. Alright, now what we're gonna do? Cut this. Okay. Nah, well, go ahead and do one more left hand turn. We need to make some rights. So I'm gonna show you how we gotta do like a figure 8. All right, so you want to get towards way over there. Nope, don't straighten up. You want to do like a right hand turn. So go way in that corner where that pole is over there. Start going towards that. Keep going, and then you're gonna cut right and come around this way. All right, give it a little gas. Not too much. Okay. And now straighten it up towards this side. And we're gonna do a right hand turn now. Remember, watch that car. Get over a little bit so you have room to yeah, you wanna get alright, now go. Right hand turn. There you go. Go back towards that pole over there. There you go.
I rate your driver to 10 out of 10 so far.
All right, Good deal. Now, all right, stop. Watch that big old pothole too. Look, go around that. Go over here. Cut. You're good. Now straighten out. Straighten out. Like you finna leave. All right, stop. Let's see if you get a good stop. Good. Way better. All right. You want me to let you pull out?
Wait, go to the street?
Yeah, but you're gonna stop down there, like by the little thing.
Wait, so
Just so you can get comfortable pulling. You're gonna pull out of here and make a left-hand turn. You're gonna go down, but once we get to the big street, just stop, and then I'll take over.
So like where we started, I'm
Yeah.
gonna stop over there.
Right.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Can you do it?
Yeah, so like turn out of here.
You're gonna make a left, yeah. Now remember, easy on that gas. All right, go for it.
So I'm just going straight down.
Yep, you're gonna get right here, and you're gonna make a left out. Signal on. You can go ahead and have that on so you don't have to worry about it. All right, now, yeah, now stop. Look both ways. All right, now we're gonna start going out. You're clear. Start turning your wheel. Turn. Remember, line the front of your car up. Right there. Ooh. Remember, find you a point. Oh, it's blinding. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, you got a little curve up here.